Welcome to Buildmate. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to seamlessly import files and attachments directly from your inbox into your project workspace. Let's dive in. First, head over to the top navigation bar, click on the Essentials drop-down menu, and select Email. This opens your integrated Buildmate inbox. From your mail list, click to open the email containing your project documents. For example, let's open this weekly progress report from our field team. Scroll down to the bottom of the email body to locate your Attachments section. Hover over the file you want to import and click the Import icon. An Add to Files configuration window will pop up, giving you complete flexibility on where this document should live. You can either choose to attach it directly to an individual task from your schedule or pin it to the high-level project file manager. Let's select Project and choose our target workspace. Once selected, click Next. Now, let's finalize the file details. Give your file a clear, recognizable title, like Weekly Progress Report. Next, add a quick description so your team has instant context. Once done, click Submit. Just like that, your file is securely imported into your project directory. Let's head over to the Projects tab in the top navigation bar to confirm. Open up the Parkside Build project. Click into the Files tab, and there it is, fully logged, described, and instantly accessible to your entire project team without ever leaving the platform. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.